Hey, what's going on? Boy Serrano, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the newest phone that I just picked up from BLU, and this phone is actually pretty cool. You can see the color variation that it's offering. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should pick up this device. That sounds like something that interests you. Make sure you stay locked in, hit the bell icon, subscribe, and get notified for more videos just like this. And if you're new, join the crew. Okay, so the first thing I like about this phone right here from BLU, and this is their newest device, the G90. The BLU G90 has a 6.5 inch display. Now, as you can see, the 6.5 inch display looks really nice when you're looking at content like YouTube or browsing your social media, just like Facebook, and you're watching your content. You're gonna have a really nice display size to actually work with. So that is the #1 reason why I like this phone and why I recommend it. It's the screen display size. It looks really nice, and the phone does get plenty bright. You can customize it to be cool, warm, or even just the preference that you desire. The second thing we're gonna talk about, and the second reason I like about this G90 from BLU, is the price, guys. The price of this device is about $130 right now, although prices always vary. Now, the G90 has 4 gigabytes of RAM. It also does pack inside of this phone 64 gigabytes of internal storage. On top of that, the 4 gigabytes of RAM that it offers, and it's $130. So there's phones that are actually $300 or more that only give you 3 gigabytes of RAM. So this has the A25 processing chip, and it's actually a new chip in the mid-range department. So honestly, we're gonna talk about the next reason why, but the second reason overall is the price. This is a really nice phone, and I'm gonna show you some of the other reasons right after this. So make sure you guys stay locked in, and if you're enjoying the video right now, make sure you hit the bell icon. In the comment section down below, you could even type G90. The third reason that I want to talk about this phone being really nice, actually worth it in 2020 as a new budget device that you may be looking at, is the battery life. This thing is running on Android 10 software with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery is going to get you through at least 2 days of battery. So I've charged this phone. I haven't charged this phone not one time. It's still on the same charge, guys, and I'm going to show you the battery cycle right now so you can see that the battery has been really good. I'm on 33% since I've been using this device, and you guys know I just got this device. It says 20 hours ago that I've been have had this device in use, and I still have 33% left, which is crazy. 33% out of 20 hours. I want to look at my screen on time usage right here, which I'm looking for. You will have to download an app to keep track of your screen on time usage. There's no listing here for the actual usage of the screen on time. For the price of under $200, it's actually $130 now at the time of this video. So the reason why I would recommend it is the overall build quality is pretty nice. You get this nice design on the back, which a lot of phones don't really have to offer. But the way that they do this, it's really subtle. You're getting a nice color whenever it hits the light, and that actually looks pretty cool. They are offering you a case right out of the box, and it's really cool as well. So I definitely want to show you guys the case, because somebody had mentioned in the last video, how does the case look with the G90. So let me show you guys how the case looks on the G90 right now, so you could see, and you get a lot of stuff right out of the box, guys. So this is how the case fits on the G90. It looks really nice. It has a nice texture to it, and you can see it mocks microfiber, and that looks really good. So you could touch the fingerprint really easily. The buttons have a nice click to them as well, so they're not going to give you any resistance when you're hitting the buttons. You could still click it at any angle without any difficulty. Next reason, guys, and for the G90, it does offer facial recognition as well as a fingerprint sensor. And that's not even, but that's part of the performance as far as gaming. When you were using PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty looked really good as well. So you're getting a really good performance with the 4 gigabytes of RAM that they're offering with this device. Right out of the box, it does offer a really nice performance. You get the Type-C charging cable, which is included, and I like the fact that they offer Type-C with this device. It's not the micro USB that they're offering. So it's really nice to see that this phone does get the Type-C, and they offer a really cool cable that most companies don't have with it. You also do get headphones and everything, a screen protector, tempered glass. But the final reason after performance why I would recommend this phone would be the cameras. Now, I'm able to take video of myself in the nighttime, guys. This phone has a night mode inside of it. So that was one of the things I really liked, is that you get a night mode on here. You get a pro mode as well. You get a 96 megapixel camera mode, HDR. You get GIF mode as well if you want to send some short video to friends, 6 seconds at least. Filters where you can customize the different color saturation of your face. Panoramas, slow motion, time lapse, and intelligent scanner. Now this does have AI technology built right in, portrait on the front and back as well. And I was just really enjoying the night mode, guys. So when I was using this phone and I was to take a picture of something in the dark, let's say my Xbox controller over here and it's kind of dark over here. So let's just take a picture of that right now on the night mode. And it takes about a second or two to process, but when you look at the photo, it looks like it's taken in the daytime, even though it's taken in the nighttime, which is crazy. So they give you a substantial amount of detail for it being taken in the night as well. So those are my top 5 reasons, guys: the screen size, the price, the battery, the build, and the performance, and the cameras, and the price. So those are my 5 reasons why I would pick up the G90. It's offering the Android 10 right out of the box. It's up to date as far as the latest software of Android as well. So if you guys were interested in picking up a budget phone and you wanted the latest and greatest budget phone in 2020, I think this one is really nice. It has a lot of cool features, and it's going to give you a substantial amount of use coming into the next year or so with the Android 10. Hopefully, you know, it gets software updates as well. But those are my top 5 reasons for getting the G90 in 2020. Maybe you want to pick up a new device. Maybe you're looking at picking up your next device and you want to check out the G90. I definitely made this video for you. So if you found it helpful, definitely hit the bell icon so you could show your support and appreciation, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for all future videos just like this. And if you're new, join the crew. But I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.